Good morning, my stars. I hope everyone is doing amazing today. Ugh, of course it's raining. I could have expected that from a mile away. Oh, sorry, I never actually got to introduce myself. I'm Vivian, nice to meet you. You know, I really could have gotten better food than just cereal since I have all the ingredients, but whatever. Okay, well, I'm not gonna be in home clothes all day, am I? So let me just get changed into something more comfortable for maybe chilling and watching TV all day. I've been getting really bored over the fact that I just have to sit here all day because it's raining, so let's make some delicious pancakes. When the kids are not home, of course, I love to watch my criminal podcast, so I'm doing that right now. Rotten Mango just came out with a new episode, so I'm super excited to finally watch it. Ooh, okay, looks like has a new great. Oh wait, oh my god, I have laundry outside. And that will be it for today's video. Thank you so much, stars, for watching. This is how my new content is gonna be like, but it's gonna be family roleplays as I'm recording the day this is coming out, the family roleplay. So I love you all so much, and I hope you're excited for this new era of my channel.